A white paper on the status of the environment in Kerala will be published within 6 months. Given the importance of the Western Ghats in the ecology of Kerala, my government intends to devise a conservation strategy for Western Ghats in consultation with the farmers and local public. Environmental clearance will be given only after diligent and stringent appraisal and impact assessment. My government intends to prepare a comprehensive policy for reducing pollution on the basis of a study and shall enforce the regulations with the active participation of the local self-governments. Mining activities including river sand mining will be regulated based on scientific studies. Mining in the state, especially black sand mining will be brought under public sector, ensuring necessary ecological safeguards and value addition. A database as envisaged in the Kerala Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland will be prepared with the help of satellite imagery and published within. Promote rainwater harvesting and reuse of water in the state. The newly constituted Wetland Authority will be strengthened to regulate and conserve wetlands in the state. Biodiversity register at Panchayat, municipality level will be prepared and updated scientifically. Realizes that even though we have a host of institutions in the state doing commendable work, the benefits of their research work have not yet trickled down to the community at large. The measures to many of the problems faced by Kerala as a society can be derived from channelizing effectively the research areas of these institutions, and my government would give utmost priority to this aspect. Next, fisheries. My government recognizes the vital importance of fishing sector that provides occupation and livelihood for coastal population. My government is of the view that the recommendation of the Meena Kumari Committee report constituted for the reviewing of the deep sea fishing and existing policy are detrimental to the interest of the fishermen of the state. My government seeks the early implementation of the recommendations of the committee led by Dr. S. Ayyappan.